too.
Who's that cute little boy right there? Who's in the picture? He's cute. What's on your shirt?
A Cookie Monster.
That's not a Cookie Monster on your shirt. Can we see it? Can we see her shirt? Who is that guy? Let's see. What's it say? Does it say, "I love you, Mommy, hug me up"?
No.
Check out this cute shirt.
Me.
It's cute. See it?
No.
It's purple, but real men can wear purple. See, it says, "I love you, Mommy, hug me up." That means you gotta hug me up all day long. All day long.
No.
Say, "Love you, Mommy."
I love you, Mommy.
Say, "Hug me up."
Hug me up.
Say, "Thank you, Miss Kim, for the cool shirt."
Thank you, Cookie.
Cool shirt? What does it say?
Cookie Monster.
No, it says, "I love you, Mommy, hug me up." Oh. Oh, I see. Say, "What's up?" I can't do that to you anymore. You're too big.
Yeah, I love me in my hole.
Oh, boy. All right, back to Buzz Lightyear. Say, "To infinity and beyond."
Get.
Say bye-bye. Can you say
Get.
bye-bye and wave to everybody? Say bye-bye and wave.
Bye.
See you soon.
It's a buzzing for them.
You're crazy.